I will tell you a little about the story and where it comes from dentistry. Despite it as a professional medical specialty, has its root in the ancient world and expert in dental problems, especially in the extraction of teeth whose pathology have affected the humanity from its origins. Dentistry began 3000 BC.
The Egyptians embedded precious stones in their teeth. The Etruscans and Phoenicians used gold bands and wires to build prostheses. Ivory and seashells were used as implants. The first medical schools emerged in the 6th century before Christ, highlighting the School of Alexandria.
Dentistry is a branch of health sciences that is responsible for the study, diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of diseases of the teeth, and in general those that affect the stomachognatic apparatus. Dentistry is not limited to intervening in diseases of the teeth, but also covers everything that makes up the stomachognatic apparatus, made up of the teeth, the oral cavity, the jaws, the muscles, the skin, the vessels, and the nerves of that part of the body.
Some of the most common conditions of dental patients are caries, malocclusion, periodontal disease, and dental trauma, among others. The dental professional is called dentist, stomatologist, or dentist. He is the doctor who treats every time related to the oral cavity, and also has knowledge in anatomy, psychology, pathology, and pharmacology.
Caries. Caries are permanently damaged zones in the surface of teeth that turn into small openings or holes. Cavities are caused by different factors like bacteria in the mouth, frequent snack intake, sugar, beverages, and deficient dental hygiene. Dental cavities are one of the most frequent health problems in the world. They especially appear on children, teenagers, and elders. If not treated, cavities can extend and reach the deeper layer of teeth. It can cause intense toothache, infection, and tooth loss.
There are different ways to prevent tooth decay. Among them, correct brushing. It is necessary because if we do not do it correctly, we allow food to accumulate. Type of diet. The abuse of sugar favors the formation of caries. Dental floss. It helps you to remove food in some areas that are difficult to clean. Visit to the dentist. Help to keep a good follow-up of oral health.
Endodontics, better known as cleaning the nerve, is a dental procedure that is performed when the tooth has been damaged by deep caries after trauma or infection. That is why the dental pulp is extracted, leaving a cavity free of bacteria. Then it is filled and sealed with inert and biocompatible material. Thus, its structure is preserved, avoiding the loss of the piece. Its functionality is maintained and pain is relieved.
To classify endodontic, it is important to keep in mind that not all teeth have the same number of the root or root canals. In the root of the teeth is where the root canals are located. Every two let one would teeth often have several. Uniradicular endodontic. It is performed on those teeth that only have one root or canal. These are usually the isophyll and canines. biradicular endodontic. This procedure is performed on that with two canals, such lower molars and upper second premolars. Multiradicular endodontic. It is carried out in the with three or more canals, such as the upper molars. Thank you.
Orthodontics is the branch of dentistry that corrects the bad position of bone in the biplane. Different types of furrows with places. Orthodontics is indicated for cases of teeth or with the poor position of the teeth prevent their proper cleaning, which increases the risk of diseases such as caries or periodontitis.
Also called gum disease, is a serious infection of the gums that damages the soft tissue and may, without treatment, destroy the bone that supports the teeth. Periodontitis can cause teeth to loosen or cause them to be lost.
Group after it will deal with complications of periodontitis complications. Periodontitis can cause to lose the bacteria responsible for periodontitis can enter the blood through the gum. This possibly affecting other parts of the body. For example, periodontitis is linked to respiratory disease, coronary artery disease, and blood glucose control problems in diabetes. Thank you.